two kind of measurements, two type of measurements of angle, degree measure and radian measure. And I hope you remember how we convert from one measure to another measure. Okay, shall we proceed? We go with exercising some kind of questions like that. Trigonometric functions. Convert 40 degree 20 minutes into radian measure. I hope you remember the minute parts of degree measure, degree minutes and radians, degree minutes and seconds, and conversion formula from degree to radians. 40 degree 20 minutes. What we know is that x degree can be converted to radian by multiplying with the pi by 180. And in minutes, 1 minute is 1 by 60 degrees, or 1 degree is 60 minutes. And 1 minute is 60 seconds, or 1 second is 1 by 60 minutes. That single dash is minute and double dash is seconds. Don't get confused with the time and the angle. You may encounter both in one question also, time and angle. Then you have to be very careful. Same notation will do there. The same notation is used for the dash and double dash is used for foot and inch also. So let us go for, first of all I need in degrees, then only I can convert to radians. So 40 degree 20 minutes means 40 degree plus 20 minutes. Any doubt at any point, you can just raise the hands, I will attend. Now 20 minutes, first of all I convert to degrees. 1 minute is 1 by 60 degrees. So 20 minutes is 20 by 60, or that is 1 by 3 degrees. So 40 minutes or 40 degrees 20 minutes is written as 40 degree plus 1 by 3 degrees, or taking as a single term 40 into 3, 120 plus 1, 121 by 3 degrees. Now directly we go to radians. X degrees is pi by 180 into x radians. So 121 by 3 degrees is 121 by 3 into pi by 180 radians. 121 by 3 into pi by 180. We can keep as it is, just denominator 180 into 3 is 540. So 121 by 540 pi radians. So converted 40 degrees 20 minutes into radians. 121 by 540 pi radians. What we did is, the minutes first we convert into degrees. If you have seconds, that second has to be converted to minutes, and further to be converted to degrees. And then we convert to radians. Now the converse, I have a 6 radians, convert 6 radians into degree measure. Remember what we know is that conversion from radian to degree is theta radians is 180 by pi into theta degrees. Theta radians is 180 by pi into theta degrees. So, and further if you have 1 degree will be 60 minutes and 1 minute will be 60 seconds. 1 degree will be 60 minutes and 1 minute will be 60 seconds. 6 radians will be 180 by pi into 6, 180 by pi into 6 degrees, because theta radians is 180 by pi into theta degrees. Theta radians is 180 by pi into theta degrees. So 6 radians equal to 180 by pi into 6 degrees. Okay? But let us simplify. What is pi? Pi is 22 by 7. Replacing pi as 22 by 7, 22 upon 7, then 7 will go to numerator. It becomes 180 into 7 into 6 by 22. 180 into 7 into 6 by 22 degrees. Can we cancel 1, 2 with that, and simplifying you get, it is 3780 upon 11 degrees. Now we can go for, because we have minute portions for degrees, minutes and second, we can subdivide and we can classify. Suppose this is rupees and paisa, like that, we can divide into subclasses, subdivisions. So 3780 divided by 11, we have integer portion, the division you can do. 343 integer and 7 by 11 fraction degrees. Now this degrees 7 by 11, 7 by 11 degrees, I can convert into minutes by multiplying with 60. 1 degree is 60 minutes. So this will be equal to 343 into 7 by 11 degrees. I can write 7 by 11 into 60 minutes. Is it clear? 1 degree is 60 minutes. So 7 by 11 degrees is 7 by 11 into 60 minutes. Now we again simplify. 7 into 60 and 420. 420 by 11 minutes. Further we have subclassification. We have smaller units. Once we have smaller units, we can again divide. 420 you divide with 11. We have 38 integer and 2 by 11. Division is simple for you. 420 you divide with 11, you are getting integer 38 and the remainder 2. So 38 integer 2 by 11 minutes. Now 38 integer 2 by 11 minutes means 38 minutes. So ultimately we have 343 degrees plus 38 minutes plus 2 by 11 minutes. The 2 by 11 minutes, I'm going to multiply to 60 and converting into seconds. 2 by 11 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 2 by 11 minutes is 2 by 11 multiplied with 60 seconds. So 343 degrees plus 38 minutes plus 2 by 11 minutes is written as 2 by 11, 2 by 11 into 60. That is 120 by 11. 120 by 11. We don't have further subclassifications here. So we approximate at this point. 121 by 11 is exactly 11. It is very near to 11. So we can write nearly equal to 343 degrees plus 38 minutes plus 11 seconds, or directly 343 degrees, 38 minutes and 11 seconds approximately. Where did we approximate? There are two places we made the approximation. One, substituted pi is not 22 by 7 is not considered an exact value, it's only an approximate value. So here also 120 by 11 we approximated to 11. So 343 degrees, 38 minutes and 11 seconds. You have to practice this. The same question you practice once and then I will give another one for practice. Now the length of arc, area of sector of a circle, we have for the circle radius is r, angle is theta, radians, L is the length of arc, right? We have already seen L equal to r theta, we have to remember L equal to r theta. And area of the sector, I am not deriving it here, but you can easily observe it is half r squared theta. L equal to r theta, area equal to half r squared theta. But what you want to take care is that the theta must be measured in radians only. So here L stands for the length of arc, r stands for the radius of the circle, and the theta, the angle subtended at the center in radians. In radians. Angle subtended by the arc at the center in radians. If it is in degree, you convert to radians and then only you can find the apply the formula. Find the angle in radians through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeters. And the tip describes an arc of length 15 centimeters. So for this pendulum, the length of pendulum is supposed to be the radius of the circle and the arc length is 15. So in our formula, the given data is, we have the formula L equal to r theta, we want theta will be L by r, here the radius r is 75 centimeters, radius r is 75 centimeters and L is given 15 centimeters. So theta in radians is theta is equal to L by r, 15 by 75, that is 1 by 5 or 0.2 radians. Theta equal to L by r, theta equal to L by r. L is the length of arc, r is the radius. Theta equal to L by r, that is 15 by 75 or that is 1 by 5 radians. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in a minute. One revolution, one full circle is one revolution. Here 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in a second? Question is simple. You have to understand the question carefully. So the number of revolutions in a minute is given 360. So how much revolutions in a second? 1 minute is 60 seconds. See, this minute and time, the minute and second is time. This minute and second is time. Remember, the same word in English may be used with various meanings. Depending on the context, you have to understand what it means. Here the minute is the time, here second is time. In 1 minute, it rotates 360 times. So how much time it revolves in 1 second? 360 upon 60, that is 6 times revolves, 6 revolutions per second. 6 revolutions per second. And in 1 revolution, can you tell me how much radians it turns in 1 revolution? Remember, it is 2 pi radians. In 1 revolution, it is 2 pi radians. So in 6 revolutions, 2 pi into 6, 12 pi radians. So in 1 second, it will be 6 into 2 pi radians, that is 12 pi radians. Answer is here, very simple. 360 revolutions in a minute. So in 1 second, it is 6 revolutions. 1 revolution is 2 pi radians. So 6 revolutions, that is 12 pi radians in 1 second. This minute and second is time. Let's take one more. Find the radius of the circle if an arc of length 37.4 centimeters subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center and giving pi. You are advised to take pi as 22/7. So here what is given? Arc of length 37.4 centimeters. Angle is 60 degrees in degrees. And you have to find this arc. The thing is that you have to convert the degree measure to radian. L equal to 37.4, length of arc. Theta is equal to 60 degree. We know how to convert pi by 180 to 60. That is pi by 3 radians. L equal to 37.4. Theta is equal to pi by 3 radians. We want to find R, the radius of the circle. What is R? R equal to L by theta, because L equal to R theta. R equal to L by theta. 37.4 upon pi by 3. That is 37.4 into 3 upon pi. Pi means 22/7. Can you simplify it? 37.4 into 7 into 3, that's 21/22. That fraction I removed by multiplying and dividing with 10. So that is 374 into 21/22. 374 and 22 cancels, leaving 17. 7 into 21 upon 10 is simplification. Is 35.4 is the radius. 35.4 is the radius of the circle. R equal to L by theta. Only thing to take care is that formula is L equal to R theta. Theta should be in radians. If it is given degrees, convert into radians by multiplying pi by 180. And you are suggested to take pi here 22/7. Is it clear?
Sir.
Yes, please ask.
I doubt in that.
Hello?
Sir. Hello.
Sir, why can't we divide 37.4 by directly 60 degree?
37.4 with a
60 degree.
No, you know
Why,
the formula
we
is
have taken
valid
pi by
only
3?
when this is what I told you have to learn from the beginning. Formula is valid only it is in radians. L equal to R theta is not in degrees. It is with the radians. That is how we define radians. The whole topic we never encounter in degrees, remember. Whatever degree, see what is 1 radian, what is radians defined yesterday. It is not in degrees. There is no degree measure in our topic now. Whatever is degree, convert to radians. Because the length of arc, radius and angle is connected through radians here. Otherwise, you have to bring that conversion formula. You studied in 10, pi r theta by 360 like that. That we don't need now. Well, that is converted already here. So remember that this formula L equal to R theta is valid only when the angle is measured in radians, and you have to convert the degree into radians, and then only you can apply that. Is it okay or not? This
Okay,
is
sir.
valid only when theta is in radians. If theta is degree, the formula is different. Okay?
Okay, sir.
The area and length of arc we are solely taking in terms of radians. Degree is the same thing, but the formula is different. L is equal to r pi r theta by 180, and area is equal to that. That we don't need now. Here we have L equal to r theta and area equal to half r square theta. Only thing is theta is in radians. Okay, shall I proceed? Next
Yes,
question.
sir.
The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeters long. Minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeters long. How far its tip moves in 40 minutes? See here, this minute is time, 40 minutes time. Here you are asked to, see in question, you know, this is your experienced in 10th also. You are asked pi, you are asked to take us 3.14. Well, again, formula is L equal to R theta. Actually, A equal to half R square theta, we are hardly encountering on topic, but I have just introduced for you. Here, L equal to R theta. What is given here? The radius, the minute hand of watch, that is radius, 1.5 centimeters, 1.5, or you can write 3 by 2, no problem. How far its tip moves? The movement of the tip, what is that? That is actually the, see the radius is here, and how far the tip moves, that will be the length of arc. And what is here, angle is not given. This 40 minutes is not angle. That time, you know, now you have to find out from your watch or from your clock, 12 hours. This is minute
So
hand,
it's,
not
it
hour
is
hand.
150 degree.
40 minutes is our, it's not our hand, it is minute hand. Minute hand will make a complete rotation in 1 hour or 60 minutes. See, don't get confused with the time minute and angle minute. The same word, I have no option. There is no other option, but you have to understand. In 60 minutes, the minute hand will make a complete revolution, or it rotates 360 degrees. In 60 minutes time, so how much it will rotate in 40 minutes? Angle subtended in 60 minutes is 2 pi. Remember 60 minutes time. Are you getting this point? The angle subtended in 60 minutes time is 2 pi. Yes or no? The minute hand will make a complete rotation in 60 minutes time. Our hand, it is make a complete rotation in 12 hours time, whereas the second hand will make a complete rotation in 1 minute. But here the minute hand will make a, because in 1 minute moves, you can easily calculate how much degrees. 5 minutes it moves, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes it moves, one full rotation, one full revolution, that is 2 pi. So angle subtended in 60 minutes is 2 pi. So angle subtended in 40 minutes will be, 2 pi by 60 into 40. How much is that? 2 pi by 60 into 40. That is 4 pi by 3. Angle subtended in 40 minutes time is 4 pi by 3 in radian. In degree you can see it will be, how much is that? 240 degrees, you can easily see. But that is, we are not talking degrees. In 60 minutes time, the minute hand will rotate 2 pi. So in 40 minutes, it's 2 pi by 60 into 40, right? Now we have to find L. L equal to R theta. The calculation is very simple. R is 3 by 2. Theta we have, and that is your asked 3 pi as 3.14. Otherwise, we can simply keep 2 pi. So your answer is now 6.28 centimeters, because it is given pi is 3.14. Otherwise, you may be tempted to keep 2 pi itself. I don't mind. But here it is given pi as 3.14. Okay? Any queries? In a circle of diameter 40 centimeters, the length of the chord, remember chord, is 20 centimeters. Find the length of minor arc. Length of chord. Here R is 20 because diameter is 40 centimeters, radius is 20. You have L equal to R theta. As the triangle is equilateral, why is equilateral? Because O is the center of the circle, OA and OB are equal, so that the angles, see the proof is beyond the requirement. These two angles are equal anyway, because these two sides are equal, because both are radius equally 20. Why equally 20? No, I don't say equally 20. This is given to be, this is not given, this is equal to diameter 20. So this is 20 given, radius 20 given, this is also 20 given, and so these two angles are equal, and this is also given 20. All the three angles are equal, then equal to 60 degrees. All the three sides are equal, so all the three angles will be equal. The triangle is equilateral, right? Is it clear or not? Radius is given 20. The chord is also given 20, so the triangle is equilateral. Okay, length of the chord is 20, OA and OB also is 20, and therefore theta is equal to 60 degrees. That is pi by 3. 1 theta is pi by 3. We can find the length of arc, L equal to R theta. Calculation is simple for you, right? You can keep it in terms of pi. Yes, you have questions here? Just see any difficult question? Convert into radians, no problem, you will do it. Convert into degrees, 6 radians we have done, but you do it again. 4 radians, 11 by 16 radians. Arc of same length of two circles, subtends angle 65 degrees and 110 degrees at the center. Find the ratio of the radii. Ratio of the radii means two circles are there, R1 by R2. You can apply the formula and get R1 by R2. Convert degrees to radians. Now 13, L is equal to 22, R equal to 100, find theta in degrees. First you bring in radians, then in degrees. Question number 14, find theta in radians. R equal to 75, L equal to 10, R equal to 75, L equal to 15, R equal to 75, L equal to 25. But question number 15 is a challenge to you. Find the angle in degrees between the hour hand and minute hand of a clock at 7:20. Find the angle in degrees between the hour hand and minute hand of a clock at 7:20. I think I have not to explain it. You have to find out in a clock where will be the minute hand, hour hand will be, because the time is given to be 7:20. Time is 7:20. What is the angle here? This is the question. Find out and tell me. I'll be happy if you just tell the answer in my WhatsApp also, apart from.
So it's 90.
Look again. Remember, what you told is the time, the angle between 20 means it is at 5 here. No, at 4 here, correct? And the angle between this 4 and 7, you told 90, that's correct. But when the minute hand moves, the hour hand is not stationary at 7. The hour hand is moved from 7. That is the point here. What he told is the angle between the 4 and 7, the number 4 and 7. It is 90 degrees. But what is the point? When the minute hand moved from here to here, hour hand is not stationary at 7. our hand is moved from 7.
Okay,
That
sir.
is
Great.
the question to you. Okay, I don't disclose further points here. You told me 90, that is why I disclosed that much. Remaining you have to find, don't go away, let me take that minutes. We have still time. How many are here? Find out.